Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Arduino IDE and also see how to install it step by step. First, what is Arduino IDE? The full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. This is the official software used to write, check and upload the program to Arduino board. In these simple words, Arduino IDE is the tool that connects us to Arduino board. We write our code in the Arduino IDE, then upload it to the board, and then Arduino starts working according to that program. Now, let us see the installation process in simple steps. Going to the step 1. Open your web browser and search for Arduino IDE software. Click on the official website arduino.cc. Select the latest series of Arduino IDE 2.3.6. Go to the download button. Press the download button. If downloading is started, downloading is completed, go for the downloads folder. Double click on the Arduino IDE setup file. If the installation window is open, if I agree with the license agreement, and next go for the destination path. It takes few minutes of time to installing. After installation process is completed, then press the finish button. After installation is completed, if Arduino IDE icon is placed on the desktop, open the Arduino IDE main page. We write the code in this particular sketch box. Now, let us write a simple program in Arduino IDE. Here, the setup function, it means runs only one time when we powered on the Arduino. Going to the pin mode of the configuration, we write 13, output. Here, onboard LED is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino IDE. So, we mention the 13, output. If the LED is represented by the output device, then go for the looping part. If this loop means keeps running again and again, we write the digital write of 13, high. It means turn on LEDs. Now add the delay of the 2 seconds. It means wait for 2 seconds of the time. And then again write the digital write of 13, low. Low means turn off of LED. Again, it wait for 1 second of the time. So the LEDs keeps blinking continuously. This is the coding part of the onboard LED blinking portion. Then after completion of the coding part, we connect the Arduino to your computer with a USB cable. And then now select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE. Going to the tools, select the board of AVR and go for the Arduino Uno. Your required board is selected. And then again go to the port. Select which port you are connected to your USB cable. And after verify the bottom part, the Arduino and port both are connected successfully or not. The connection is connecting proper way, then directly go for the verify button. Once verification is completed, there is no errors is occurring, then compiling. And after go to the upload button, you upload the code to the Arduino output. This is the onboard LED blinking project. If the inbuilt of the LED is here in the Arduino Uno board, we check if the Arduino is blinking or not. So we verify the turn on of the LED. It wait for 2 seconds of the time. After it will turns off. This is the onboard LED blinking project. This is the basic program. We understand how to upload the code and how to run the code in the Arduino Uno. You have successfully completed your first Arduino project, onboard LED blinking. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly Arduino tutorials. Thank you. Thanks for watching.